Let's try a fresh date. So I guess this is what a date looks like before it's dried or before it's ripe. So this is what we usually think of when we hear dates or when we eat a date, but these are fresh dates. So I'm assuming this is before it gets dried. I just saw this at the Asian supermarket and it was labeled as fresh dates. It doesn't really smell like anything. It's crisp, almost like an apple. It's a bit sweet. Does it have any date flavor? Okay, now I'm doubting myself whether or not this is an actual fresh date. Maybe they mislabeled it. I've never even heard of this before. And I guess, I don't know, all I want to know is sooner or later, is this thing going to turn into this? But this doesn't taste anything like a date, but it is giving me apple vibes. And I guess that's the date seed right there. All right, let me eat a date again, just so I can refresh my memory. A really rich, sweet flavor. This isn't really as sweet, it's more milder. Let me try the brown ones, maybe they taste a bit different. Hold on, let me rinse my mouth. So I'm going to see if the yellow ones taste any different than the brown ones. Nah, pretty much the same. All right, I guess that's it. It's basically an unripe apple that's a bit sweet. It doesn't really taste like an actual date, and honestly, I don't even know if these are actual fresh dates. I'm just going off what the Asian supermarket says. It's labeled as a fresh date. If this is a real thing, let me know in the comments. I would give this a 6.4 out of 10. That's whatever.